Ever wonder why you can't use a power drill for literally everything? Do you cook in black and white? Do you cry about vegetables? If you've even thought about those questions, you cooking with power tools. With these 6 awesome attachments, you can cook the way cooking was intended. Want some lemonade? Now you can absolutely destroy lemons. See those green things over there? They were saying mean things about you. Plug that drill in and demolish them. And guess what? It works on onions. Completely eviscerated. Want some salt? Here's some salt. Is that enough salt for you? What's the opposite of salt? Pepper, and guess what? It works on that too. Now I know what you're thinking. Cheese. Why is it so big? Grind that yellow stuff up and make it smaller. Now you can grind cheese at unprecedented speeds. Look at that cheese getting what it deserves. If you've watched this far, you know there's only one thing left to do. Create water tornadoes. Discombobulate your liquid. What am I even doing anymore? Please, for the love of God, back this campaign so you can start cooking for real.